evening, dear students. Prayer. Today we are going to start new chapter, chapter 12, Exponents and Powers. Do you remember exponents and powers? Already learned in class 7. Some exponents laws also, laws of exponents. So that laws of exponents we use here. Okay, so first what is exponent and powers? For example, here one number 10 raised to 24. How it will read? 10 raised to 24. Okay, 10 raised the power 24 and 24 is the exponent. 24 is the exponent and this number is the base. Okay, same way 3 raised to 2. This is the exponent, this is the base. So any number raised to exponent, this is the exponent number. Suppose 4 raised to 2. So 4 is the base, 2 is the exponent. Okay. In 7th standard, we already learned 10 raised to 0. 10 raised to 0 equal to 1. Isn't it? Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. A raised to 0 equal 1. That is a general law. Okay. Now 10 raised to 1 equal 10. Then 10 raised to 2 means 10 into 10. Isn't it? Equal to 100. So 100 we can write as the powers of exponents. 10 raised to 2. 10 is the base, 2 is the power. Next 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 means 10 into 10 into 10 equal to 1000. So 1000 we can write like 10 raised to 3. So 10 raised to 4 means 10,000. 10 raised to 5, 1 like that we can express these numbers. Okay. Next is negative power. Exponents or power means I told about exponent. Exponent can be negative or positive or 0. You already learned about positive exponent and 0 in class 7, isn't it? So today we started going to learn negative exponent, that is 10 raised to minus 1. Minus 1 is a negative number and this is a negative exponent. So what is the meaning of 10 raised to minus 1? This is equal to 1 by 10 raised to 1. Understood? 1 by 10 raised to 1. This is equal 1 by 10. 10 1 times. That is 1 by 10. Next is 10 raised to minus 2. 10 raised to minus 2. Here negative exponent. Its meaning is 1 by 10 raised to 2 and this is equal to 1 by 10 into 10. 10 raised to 2 means 10 into 10. That is 1 by 100. Isn't it? So 10 raised to minus 2 is 1 by 10 raised to 2. Now 10 raised to 3. Sorry, minus 3. This is equal to 1 by 10 raised to 3. Okay. So if negative exponent, then we can write this like a we can convert this negative exponent as a positive by writing like this. So its general formula is a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Understood? A raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. A is the base, m is the power. Then based on this another exponent formula, a raised 1 by a raised to minus m. This is a raised to minus m, just a raised to minus m. This is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Then next is 1 by a raised to minus m. This is equal to a raised to m. So in this chapter we have some exponent laws and formulas. You must by heart these exponent laws and formulas, then only you can simplify questions. Okay. I already told a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. Now multiply a raised to m into a raised to minus m. This is a raised to m into a raised to minus m is 1 by a raised to m. So 1 by a raised to m. We can cancel this and we get to 1. That is a raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m. Once more, a raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m. Now take your textbook, page 194. Try this. First try this. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So find the multiplicative inverse. So I already told a raised to m. Then a raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m. The reverse is a raised to m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to minus m. So first question is 2 raised to minus 4. Its multiplicative inverse is 2 raised to 4. If this is negative exponent, then take its positive exponent. Okay. So write answer with the pencil in your textbook only. Next is 10 raised to minus 5. Then its multiplicative inverse is 10 raised to 5. Third, 7 raised to minus 2. So its multiplicative inverse is 7 raised to 2. Just write its positive exponent. Then question 4, 5 raised to minus 3. This is all same like above questions, 5 raised to 3. Next, last is 10 raised to minus 100. So its multiplicative inverse is 10 raised to 100. In 7th standard, we already learned how to write expanded form using exponents. Do you remember? So here also 2 questions. This same page, last portion, one try this is there. Expand the following numbers using exponents. So we learned detailedly in 7th standard. So here we are going to do this 1025.63. So we need to write this using exponent. So first expand this 1 into 1000. 1 is at the place of thousands plus 0 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 6 into after decimal tenth place, tenths. Tenth place is represented by 1 by 10. Do you remember? I think all of you know. 3 into 1 by 100. This is 10th place. This is 100th place. Now, what is the corresponding to? What is the exponent corresponding to 1000? 1000. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So you can just count number of zeros and write 10 raised to that number of zeros. Okay, very easy. So this is 1 into 10 raised to how many zeros? 3. Otherwise 1000 is equal to 10 raised to 3. So here just count how many zero and take 10 as the base, then raise to number of zeros, that is here 3. Now plus 0 into 10 raised to 2. Otherwise 10 into 10 100. 10 into 10 into 10 1000. 3 times 10. Here 2 times, understood? Plus 2 into how many times 10? 1. So 10 raised to 1 plus 5 into, if we get to 1, we need to write 10 raised to 0. So 10 raised to 0 is 1. So 5 into 10 raised to 0, 6 into 1 by 10. 1 by 10, I already told 10 raised to minus 1. So 1 by 10, then its power is negative 1. 10 raised to minus 1 plus 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. Understood? Second question, 1256.249. So first write 1 into 1000. 1 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 10. Sorry, 6 into 1 plus 2 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100 plus 9 into 1 by 1000. Okay. Now this is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 3. 4000 10 raised to 3 plus 2 into 400 10 raised to 2 plus 5 into 410 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 4 1 we need to write 10 raised to 0 plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus 9 into 10 raised to minus 3. Here 1000, 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 is 1 by 10 raised to 3. That is 10 raised to minus 3. Now very important topic, laws of exponents. This is very important. Some laws of exponents I have written on the board. So just by heart this or understand this. By heart also and understand this. Okay. So first is a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. I already told a negative exponent. Then this can be write like 1 by a raised to m. Second is 1 by a raised to minus m. So this is write like a raised to m. Okay. Now this laws of exponents you already learned in 7th standard. A raised to m into a raised to n equal a raised to m plus n. That is, if same base and different exponents, then exponents can be added. Okay, same base, different exponents, then exponents can be added. Next, a raised to m by a raised to n. Same base, different exponents, then we can write a raised to m minus n. Exponents subtracted. Okay. Now a raised to m, all raised to n. One exponent is there, then again another exponent. That is multiply these exponents. That is a raised to m n. Now a raised to m into b raised to m. Here bases are different. Bases are different. A and b. Exponents same. So we can multiply the base and write all raised to m. Take m for both the bases. That is a into b all raised to m. Next is a raised to m by b raised to m. Different bases. Same exponents. So this can be write like a by b all raised to m. Understood? Now a raised to 0 equal 1. Any number raised to 0, that means 1. And last is a by b all raised to minus m. One fraction raised to a minus exponent. We can write that fractions reciprocal. And with the raised to positive power m. That is a by b all raised to minus m means b by a raised to m. So pause this video, study these exponents, laws of exponents, then continue watching video. Now take page 195. There try this, simplify and write in exponential form. So we need to write in its exponential form. Exponential form is a raised to m, raised to number, that is exponential form. So first question is minus 2 all raised to minus 3 into minus 2 all raised to minus 4. So here question minus 2 raised to minus 3 minus into minus 2 raised to minus 4. Here same base, isn't it? A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. Same base. So we can add these powers. So exponents. So minus 2 raised to minus 3 plus minus 4. This is equal to minus 2 raised to minus 3 minus 4. This plus and minus multiply, we get minus 4, and this is equal to minus 2 raised to minus 7. Both are minus, then add and put minus sign. So this is minus 2 raised to minus 7. Next question, p raised to 3 into p raised to minus 10. This is also like a raised to m into a raised to n equal a raised to m plus n. Always we use the laws of exponents according to the question. Okay. So same basis. So this can be written like p raised to 3 plus minus 10. This is equal to p raised to 3 minus 10, and this is equal p raised to minus 7. Plus minus becomes a minus, and subtract and put sign of greater number. So here 3 minus 10 7, and 10 have a minus sign. So p raised to minus 7. Now third question, 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to minus 5 into 3 raised to 6. Here also same base. So we use a raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. That is 3 raised to 2 plus minus 5 plus 6. Okay, equal to 3 raised to 2 minus 5 plus 6 equal to 3 raised to 2 minus 5 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 6 3. So 3 raised to 3. If you have any doubt, write like this. Separate 2 minus 5 plus 6. 2 minus 5 minus 3 plus 6. Minus plus subtract and put greater number sign. So subtract 6 minus 3 3. Then positive sign. So positive 3. So this is 3 raised to 3. Now take page 197, exercise 12.1. First question, evaluate. Evaluate in there 3 sub questions. First is 3 raised to minus 2. 3 raised to minus 2. In try this, their question is simplify and write in exponential form. So we find answer in exponential form, isn't it? Here first question is evaluate. Evaluate means find final answer. Not in exponential form, multiply and find answer. Okay. So please careful about the question. So first is 3 raised to minus 2. We can write a raised to minus m equal 1 by a raised to m. Isn't it? So this can be write like 1 by 3 raised to 2, and 1 by 3 raised to 2 means 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. So this is the answer. So this is evaluate means find final answer. Okay. Second question, minus 4 raised to minus 2. Minus 4 raised to minus 2. Here a raised to minus m equal 1 by a raised to m. So this can be write like 1 by minus 4 raised to 2. That is 1 by minus 4 raised to 2 means minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 into 4 16. So answer is 1 by 16. Third question, 1 by 2 all raised to minus 5. So a by b all raised to minus m equal to b by a. Take its reciprocal and take a positive exponent. So this is equal to 2 by 1 all raised to 5. Use exponential laws. Okay. This is equal to 2 by 1 means 2 itself. That is 2 raised to 5. This is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to 4. Okay. Now 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 2, 32. So final answer is 32. Next question 2. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. So here question is different. So please careful about each questions. Okay. So here asking simplify and express the result in power notation. That means write answer in power, exponent power and with positive exponent only. Okay. So first question is minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. So we can rewrite this question like minus 4 raised to 5 by minus 4 raised to 8. Just rewrite like this division. This is division. So we write like this only. Now in this form, one exponent formula, a raised to m by a raised to n equal a raised to m minus n. Use that here. This is minus 4 all raised to 5 minus 8. Understood? A raised to m by a raised to n equal a raised to m minus n. That is minus 4 raised to 5 minus 8. This is equal to minus 4 all raised to 5 minus 8. We get to minus 3. 8 minus 5, 3. Then 8 is greater. Its sign is minus. So minus 4 raised to minus 3. In question they ask write in positive exponent form. So we know a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. That is 1 by minus 4 raised to 3. So this is the answer. Next question, 1 by 2 raised to 3 all square. 1 by 2 raised to 3 all raised to 2 raised to 2. That is same like all raised to 2 square. All square we already learned in chapter 9 x square, x cube, like that. That is the same like this is also exponent, that is x raised to 2, x raised to 3, x raised to 4. Same is this also. Okay. Now here 1 by 2 raised to 3 all square. We know a raised to m by b raised to m is write like a by b all raised to m, isn't it? So we write its reverse, that is this type. So this is convert like 1 square by 2 raised to 3 all square. Understood? It's like this. Split this. Okay. Now 1 square is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Now 2 raised to 3 all raised to 2. A raised to m all raised to n equal a raised to m. That is 3 into 2, 6. This is equal 2 raised to 6. So answer is 1 by 2 raised to 6. In question they ask about write in positive exponential form. So we write it like this. Next question, minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 by 3 raised to 4. So here 5 by 3 raised to 4. First split this. This is in the form a by b all raised to m. So we write like a raised to m by b raised to m. So this is equal to minus 3 all raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 by 3 raised to 4. Now this is equal, here 3, here minus 3. So we use this a raised to m into b raised to m equal ab raised to m. So a into b done here, isn't it? Like that here also one multiplication done. We split this minus 3 is minus 1 into 3 all raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 by 3 raised to 4. How? This minus 3 is equal to minus 1 into 3. Okay. Now we can split this as minus 1 all raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 by 3 raised to 4. Understood? Now here 3 raised to 4, here 3 raised to 4, same base. So we use a raised to m by a raised to n equal a raised to m minus n. Okay, so this is equal to minus 1 all raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4 minus 4 into 5 raised to 4. Now, minus 1 raised to 4 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. Again plus into minus minus. Again minus into minus plus. 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1. So this is equal to plus 1. So 1 into 3 raised to 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4 means 0. 3 raised to 0. 3 raised to 0. 3 raised to 0 means 1. So we can write here 1 into 5 raised to 4. This is equal to 1 into 5 raised to 4. That is 5 raised to 4 itself. Understood? Now next question 3 raised to, next means second question, sub question 4. Okay. So 3 raised to minus 7 divided by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. All exponents are negative exponents. First rewrite this question like 3 raised to 3 raised to minus 7 by 3 raised to minus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. Now this have same base 3 and 3. So use the exponential formulas a raised to m by a raised to n equal a raised to m minus a. So apply that one here. 3 raised to minus 7 minus minus 10. Always please careful writing like this. This is minus 7. So minus 7. Then according to the exponential law here minus. So put minus sign. Then this is minus 10. So write minus 10 here. Now into 3 raised to minus 5. This is the question. Okay. Equal to 3 raised to minus 7 minus into minus plus. So minus 7 plus 10 into 3 raised to minus 5. This is equal to 3 raised to minus 7 plus 10. One is negative, another is positive. So subtract, then we get 3. Then 10 is greater number. So put sign plus. So this is 3. 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to minus 5. Now we know the formula. A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. Isn't it? Same base. So apply that. This is 3 raised to 3 plus minus 5. Understood? 3 raised to 3. Sorry, here a plus n. 3 raised to 3 plus this minus 5. Now minus into plus we get 3 raised to 3 minus 5 and this is equal to 3 raised to minus 2. So this is negative exponent. In question they ask write in positive exponent. So again we use a raised to minus m equal to a raised to m. That is this is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 2. A raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. Use that. This is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 2. Now sub question 5. 2 raised to minus 3 into minus 7 raised to minus 3. Now consider, check here. Here both exponents are same. Base different. So which exponent formula here we use? A raised to m into b raised to m equal to ab raised to m. Understood? So write this like this formula. 2 into minus 7 all raised to minus 3. Now 2 into minus 7 minus 14 raised to minus 3. Now a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. So this is 1 by minus 14 all raised to 3. So this is the answer. So today I am going to wind up here. We done exercise 12.1 question number 1 and 2. Main question 1 and 2. Now rest questions we will do in next class. So study well these laws of exponents and do again and again, otherwise you didn't get how to do this question answer. Okay, so do again and again. Watch video carefully. Thank you.